The journey to the cloud can be a complex one, especially in areas like migration of applications and workloads. There need to be activities that are a part of a phased evaluation and plan to move to the cloud. With this amount of complexity, adoption and movement to the cloud is inhibited. At Unify Cloud, we focus globally on cloud, cybersecurity, and regulatory compliance. We have developed tools and related services specializing in helping enterprises move to the cloud and operate in a well-managed and secure way. Our customer experience tells us there are 4 realities associated with cloud adoption. These premises are the following. Reality 1. Cloud adoption is accelerating around platform as a service. Reality 2. Adopting DevOps is happening concurrently. Reality 3. IT risk management is evolving along with the cloud. Reality 4. Moving applications to the cloud is not once and done. Let's take a look at each reality, and then we'll talk about using technology to address the challenges of these realities. Reality 1. Cloud adoption is accelerating around platform as a service and is considered to be transformational over the next 2 to 5 years. Some examples of what could sit in a platform as a service environment are application development, data and workflow, security services, single sign-on and authentication, data management, and directory services. Platform as a service is more than a collection of outsourced infrastructure services that can support legacy apps tweaked for the cloud. It can provide the building blocks for innovative new scenarios like hybrid applications, phone applications, media services, connected devices, and application modernization. Reality number 2. Adopting DevOps is happening concurrently. This is the notion of moving away from expensive ways IT operations worked in the past. Today, one team handles both the development and subsequent operations. It is perfectly designed for the cloud. As is frequently said, when every deployment is done differently, every production environment is a different snowflake. When this occurs, no mastery is ever built in the organization in procedures or configurations. Reality 3. IT risk management is evolving along with the cloud. The potential benefits of cloud services can be enticing, but with reward comes risk. Chief Information Security Officers and IT risk managers must decide whether the potential risk is within acceptable limits. No matter how much of your infrastructure is sitting in the cloud or your own data center, you still own all the risks. Reality 4. Moving applications to the cloud is not once and done. In Azure, a new feature with associated settings is being updated about every 4 hours. It's not unstable, but a churning environment. This makes it necessary for developers to monitor this complex environment. How do you navigate through these realities? First, by following a logical approach. Second, use technology to guide you on that journey. There are 3 phases to this approach. The first phase is to discover and assess, starting with the inventory of applications and understanding what you really have deployed. The second phase is to target and migrate. After you've determined the applications you might move, you'll need a very detailed analysis down to the code level of what remediation is required. A third and final phase, monitor and report, ensures that all applications deployed to the cloud are meeting the IT controls and preferred service settings, including those for cybersecurity that you've established. These 3 stages designed to address the realities of moving to the cloud can benefit from technology that can provide both guidance and governance while evolving at cloud speed as platforms evolve, apps change, and IT risk management and threat models adapt. This technology should have 4 elements: app discovery and migration target assessment, controls and settings knowledge base and repository, app cloud readiness assessment, remediation and test, and compliance monitoring and reporting. At Unify Cloud, we've developed a set of 4 solutions which make up the Cloud Atlas suite. These 4 applications are Cloud Recon, used to determine the readiness of an enterprise to move to the cloud, providing detailed technical analysis on your entire on-premises IT environment, including VMs, physical servers, databases, and client machines. Cloud Recon uses data from leading IT discovery tools or asset management managed services. Cloud Pilot provides you with a deep and detailed analysis of applications and their readiness to migrate to a cloud environment. Cloud Pilot is a great tool to assist in the initial assessment of the cloud migration effort, in the refactoring process, and in the final testing against enterprise technology controls and policies. Cloud Supervisor, used to monitor applications after they're migrated to the cloud, to provide application owners and cloud subscription owners visibility into the underlying cloud services, and whether the settings and other risk management controls are in line with industry standards or your enterprise definitions. Cloud Origin represents the underlying cloud services settings repository and cloud knowledge base that underpins the Cloud Atlas suite. Cloud services are constantly going through upgrades and enhancements by cloud service providers, and Cloud Origin is designed to be your authoritative source of revision control. They are available to be licensed and installed in an enterprise's private cloud environment, or for smaller organizations, they're available sitting as Azure hosted services that have a subscription cost associated with them. We believe with the use of our solution in Cloud Atlas toolset, your journey to the cloud will be a pleasant one.